and welcome to your upper body strengthening portion. So today we're going to do some really basic exercises that you're used to doing, but we're going to kind of change the way we're doing them. So grab your dumbbells and come on back and let's get started. All right, so we're going to do what's called eccentric training. So what you're going to do, take your dumbbells, palms face me. You're going to come up nice and quick. And then you're going to really slow down the lower. Let's do it again. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so continue this pattern. We're going to do these really, really slow. So we're not going to have a whole lot of exercises today, but we are going to get one great workout. We have about 4 more. Keep the elbows close to your body. Nice and slow lower. You can gain so much strength by just working with this negative lowering, this negative muscle loading. All right. Let's do one more. And what we're going to do, we're going to bring the hands up. You're going to come halfway. Elbows are still nice and tight to my side. And we're going to hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and down, nice and fast, 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, shake it out. Great job. All right, so we're going to keep this up. Here we go. Now, if this starts to get uncomfortable going overhead, what I want you to do is set your weights down, still go through the motion. And then if it's still uncomfortable, just take a little break. So here we go. Overhead press, up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep this going. Number 3. If you're getting any kind of pinching in your shoulder, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on your posture. Tuck that chin in, squeeze those shoulder blades back behind you. So your arms are directly in line with your ears. We have 5 more. Who would have thought that 10 reps would be so burning? Here we go. 4, 3. Do not push through. If you're having any kind of pain, don't push through. 2 more. 1. Last one. Nice and slow. And up, halfway down. Squeeze those elbows back towards that back wall. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10. Nice and quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down, shake it out, set your weights down for just a second. Nice little recovery time. Shake out those arms. Are they burning yet? Can you feel it working? All right, so we're gonna face your chair. You're gonna take a nice step back with one leg and place your hand on the chair. So what we're gonna do, same thing. Elbow back, nice and quick, and slowly lower. Back, and slowly lower. Here we go, keep it going. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, and our last one, nice and slow. Pull it all the way back and come about halfway and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and quick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it back and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nice tricep press here. You should feel this in the back of your arm. So this is not a bicep curl. You're kicking back and you're slowly lowering the arm down. Your elbow stays nice and tight to your side. We have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kick it back and hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and quick. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? All right, shake it out. Great job. We're going to the other side, okay? So I'm going to turn my chair around. You do not have to. I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing. All right, here we go. Nice lunge position. Arm is down by your side. We pull it back and slowly lower. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are halfway through the eccentric loading. See if you can relax your neck and shoulders here. and really drive that elbow up towards the ceiling. If you start to go quick, slow yourself back down. Let's do one more. And all the way down, back and squeeze. Come halfway for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and quick. Back to our normal style. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up and hold. Kick it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm already burning. I'm not even halfway there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring it up and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10. Nice and smooth. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set it down. A little bit of a rest break. Great job. All right, so set your weights down to the side. We're going to need that chair. All right, so what we're going to do next, this is going to be our last exercise. I'm going to do my push-ups on the chair. You can choose to do them on the wall or on the floor. So here we go. What we're going to do, both hands on the chair, wall or floor. I'm going to fix my shirt here or my hands are going to slip. All right, hands on the chair. You're going to lower yourself down slowly. Here we go. Lower yourself down, nice and slow. And take a step forward with the leg, press yourself back up. All right, here we go again. Slowly lower, step forward. Use your leg to press yourself up. Okay, let's do it. We have 8 more times. So you're not using your strength at all in your upper body to raise yourself back up. We're just working on the slow lower. Okay, so you can even flip your chair around as long as it's in a stable place, and slow your chest to the chair, step forward, press up. Slow down, step forward, press up. Or you can go to the wall. You can use a countertop. Give me 2 more. Nice and slow. Step forward, press up. Last one. Forward, press up. Let's hold that plank position for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do 10 push-ups. This is it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're finished. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your workout.
Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just trying to make a lifestyle improvement, Wellness 360 is a one-way path to achieving your goals. We ensure efficiency and safety. All classes are led by our team of healthcare professionals. We'll motivate you, pushing you to be your best while adhering to your specific needs. With our effective personalized classes, you'll see results in no time.
Wellness 360, bringing your health and wellness full circle.